Hey Wayne, my name is Zach, and in this video, I'm going to show you three things that you can do today to help bring in more customers to your business. I found by giving people a three-step blueprint of actual things they can do to impact their business for free has resulted in some local business owners raising their hands and asking me to help them out as well. However, there are no strings attached to this video. Like I said in the FB post, I do not expect you to use my services. I genuinely just want to be helpful. So if by the end of this video you've liked what you heard and you can see that I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve that can help you gain new clients through your business, shoot me a message back and we can chat. Or if at the end of the video you simply want to take these few steps and apply them yourself, I'm cool with that too. I really just enjoy being able to help people out. So without further ado, let me show you these three things that will set your company above your competition and not waste any more of your time. The first thing I want to touch on is content on your website, because this is the one thing that Google looks at the most. That we always say content's king. And what I mean by that is on your home page, you want to have at least 1,500 words worth of content. And on any back pages, you want to have 500 to 750 words worth of content that's dense and buyer intent keywords. Well, you can see here, I highlighted everything on your home page and I put it into word counter and it came up with 93 words. So, we're real short on that 1,500 word goal. And I went to Google and I typed in a buyer intent keyword for Pearland. So Electrician Pearland is what I searched for. And we'll scroll down here to the organic. Number one is Yelp.com, which they're more of an index than anything, followed by Mr. Electric, which would be the closest business for Pearland that would specialize in electrical work. This right here tells me that ranking for an electrician in Pearland wouldn't be too hard because Yelp is the number one spot. They're not even a business, they're just an index. But we'll jump more into that. So I came up with MrElectric.com. We see this is their website right here. I did the exact same thing, highlighted all their content on their homepage for that specific service area, and it came up with 1,100 words. So, we could easily beat that with 1,500, and I would even almost say go with 2,000 just to make sure that we really beat them by a landslide. But now that we've talked about the quantity of content, I want to go dive more into those keywords. I have this cool tool called Ahrefs that I use where I can plug in any domain such as yourselves right here and show you exactly what's going on and show you a bunch of these metrics right here. So we can see your backlinks, you have one with one referring domain, 0 keywords and 0 organic traffic per month coming to your website. Over here I have Mr. Electric plugged in. They have 20 backlinks with 3 referring domains, 8 organic keywords and 43 traffic. And I want to jump more into these keywords here and kind of show you exactly what you could be ranking for and what kind of traffic it would draw. So right here, Pearland Electrician, 150 search volume, and they're in position number 2, so they're only getting 19 traffic, according to Ahrefs. And the number 1 spot, you'd probably be getting more, anywhere from 70 to 80 off of ranking number 1 for this keyword. Same thing goes for these other 3 that they're ranking for. And there's more keywords out there for an electrician in Pearland, but these are the 4 that these guys are ranking for to show you. The next thing I want to jump into is going to be what are called citations in the Google Map Pack. So right here, once again, we have our buyer intent keyword, and this is what's known as the Google Map Pack. And the way that you get into the Google Map Pack is by using what are called citations on top of the high quality content that you have on your homepage and throughout the rest of your website. And what a citation is your name, your address, and your phone number listed in a bunch of different directories and indexes throughout the web, such as Yext, Yellow Books, CityStar. Facebook even has a place where you can put in a citation to give you a little bit more power in this area right here. And the more citation that you have, the better off you are, and the more likely Google is going to rank you inside of this Google Map Pack. And we found that most competitors stop anywhere from the 50 to 75 range on citations. So any client that we take on, we always give them 200 to 300 citations, because this is another way that we can just kind of beat the competition out by a landslide and just help you be driven to that number 1 spot and start picking up all the traffic for people that don't scroll down to this number 1 organic spot, but they stop here and they just click on website for the number 1 person here. So you can kind of see the importance of what those citations bring. Finally, the third thing I want to talk about are those backlinks that I referred to earlier. Backlink is essentially where you have one website that we'll call website A pointing back to another website we'll call website B. And by doing this, website A is passing power back to website B, saying that, hey, this website's relevant to what we talk about on our website. And Google kind of treats this as a popularity contest where the more high quality backlinks you have for your industry, whether a good one for an electrician would be, getting backlinks from business websites, construction websites, other electrical websites, so on and so forth. And it wouldn't really make sense to go get a backlink, from say a pizza website or a shoe store or something like that. But the more high quality backlinks you have, the more likely you are to start ranking in that area as well in Google's eyes, just because you're having all that authority from those other websites. Now, with that being said, I kind of want to touch on the three things that we just talked about. Number one was the content. So, your front page, it needs at least 1,500 words, followed by 500 to 750 words on all back pages, and you want that to be dense in keywords that you want to rank for that are buyer intent. The second thing we talked about were citations. You want to have 200 to 300 of these to beat out the competition by a landslide. And finally, we talked about backlinks. So you need more relevant sites pointing at you guys to show Google you are the authority. If you implement these strategies today, you can be number one across Google with a little bit of time. All that being said, you can either go with this information I provided you today and do this on your own, and I'm totally cool with that. Like I said, I like to help out. However, if you want the most effective route and want to save yourself the time, you can give me a call at 903-715-7876. I'm more than willing to chat and answer any questions you might have. This is a lot of information at one time, so I'm sure you have questions. Like I said, just feel free to reach out to me. Once again, my name is Zach, and my number is 903-715-7876. Wayne, I look forward to hearing from you, and I hope you have a great day. Thank you. Bye.